Hello folks, good morning. It's a lovely Sunday and we are off to DD Hills or Devarayanadurga Hills. It's about 70 kilometers from my house and it's gonna be a fun ride. We used to chill here as kids. I have pictures of me and my buddies in Bullet over here. Bullets as in Royal Enfields. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride. Let's get some food for the baby. Saka. Now that baby is fed, let's head. Last week I couldn't do anything because I was working as in office work. So this week I was like, no matter what happens, I have to get out for a ride. I don't know where are these people running to. But people like staying healthy nowadays, so that's good for them. People don't show this side of Bangalore, which is a much neater, cleaner, less concrete Bangalore. That is the North Bangalore. Yeah, we have traffic, but we have plants, we have trees, we have lakes, which is great. Love doing that. And the great Bengaluru metro work. I met my friend Somesh over here. Somesh belongs to... I'm just kidding. I don't know him. Yeah. I get bored in traffic alone, so I make things up like that. Somesh had a rough childhood, so he got a bike, and now he has a good time with the bike. Look at Somesh go. Killing it with his bike. Somesh has a jacket but not a shoe on. Somesh, कर दिए ना squid वाली बात. Somesh has gloves but no shoes on. Somesh, चलो Somesh. Come on, Somesh. Show them the way, Somesh. There's so many people on this road because this is one of the main highways that connects to Maharashtra. So this is Bangalore, Pune, Bombay, Gujarat. All the cars has to go from here. And this is like the leaving point for the city. So why the massive traffic jam at this hour? Oh, Somesh is waiting for me. Somesh, you didn't wait for me there. Is there a horse on a truck? Things you see in Bangalore. My life comes a full circle. I have a video like this from Facebook. When I uploaded it, it was 2011 or 12-ish. My God. Driving is hard, man, in this city. I don't know if Somesh is chasing me, but you, Somesh. Look at the beautiful Bangalore metro. cruising along. I love village roads. You get to see so many characters, people, portraits. Lovely roads, you know. Fields of gold. No tolls for bikes. Oh, that was done on 4th gear, which I love Kawasaki for this reason. Sometimes I just love it. Why is the road so bad right after the toll gate? Welcome to India, where the cars that hey, people ride out of rickshaws every day. So essentially, just for a 4-kilometer climb, I traveled 100 odd kilometers. I mean 80 odd kilometers. Bikers are crazy. This road used to be better. I think it's time to fix it again. Then I'll come here. Ooh, we have spent so much time here. This is the lake. Wow, so pretty. This place is awesome during the monsoons, but shucks, I can't ride this bike during the monsoons. So if you guys keep liking, commenting and sharing, I may be able to afford a new bike. Ooh, beauty. This, I believe, should be the road. And that goes to Tumkur, if I'm not wrong. Otherwise, I have enough fuel to come back and go again. Yep, this is it. This was unfortunate. I didn't have money for him, but he was like, come on the way back. So I'll see if I can get some change. Oh, they have paved new roads. Completely new roads. So nice bending. many squids, no helmet, no nothing. But such good roads. And that's it. On the left there's the temple, and on the right here are the bikes.